Welcome everyone to the US stock indices, the explosion actually of the US indices, the daily analysis. We're gonna see also some special requests in this video. So let's start with Nasdaq, where we have a 1-2, another 1-2, and 1-2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 to continue, of course, toward the upside, a large impulse. As we mentioned yesterday, I'm looking for a final here, wave 3 inside this gray count here, and I mentioned that you might see kind of like of this move there. Yeah, so and here we are. This is exactly what I meant. We have a 3 waves up here, and of course we might push toward the downside for a deeper wave 4, and that because of course the wave 4 can be an expanding flat there and then starting to push toward the upside. Now be careful, it is very likely as well that you might get a shallow wave 4 because the market is so much into bullish sentiments. Okay, so we might discover that even that this might be kind of like a wave 4 for this 1 2 3 and then wave 4 and a 5, meaning kind of like 1 2 and then wave 3, then wave 4 and a wave 5 here. So if this happened, that means of course we are extending more and more, but I'm not gonna add additional accounts here, guys. It's too much already, so we're gonna keep it just simple like that, and we will estimate that at the top when we become over there, guys. All right, so this is becoming for later. Currently, I'm looking for this red zone at least here. It can be a deeper correction, 0.38, 29K 500, which is gonna be in confluence anyway with this wave 2 there. And so let's watch exactly this number, and that's why I'm putting it there just to be safe there. And that means in case this is an A, B, and a C, a shallow one, yeah, that you have knowledge that this 0.23 taken from that wave 2 here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 might be playing there. 29K 564. And I'm still looking for higher, definitely, and that because it's corrective. When you see an expanding flat, is the most beautiful correction because it gives you with it a signal that you're continuing toward the upside. Nothing is bearish over there. That was it for Nasdaq. We're pushing higher, guys, towards the new all-time high. SPX all-time high already taken very massively as expected as well. We are looking at wave 3 here of wave 5 in the gray, 1 2 3 4 and a 5 finished, and I'm looking here for a correction, definitely at least 0.23 for this wave 4. So I'm looking for this one here, which is of course your wave 4 in the white scenario, to take of course at least the 0.23, $7,700 here, and then continuation to the upside. We're not yet done, definitely. We're looking for something sharp a little bit, can be a zigzag, and then continuation for higher prices. Your next target here, since we took the all-time high, your next target might be the following wave 5 over 1. We're gonna watch of course this green zone, 7,838, 7,879 in a very high bullish scenario. Of course, we're going back 75, guys, for the correction, and that is normal. Of course, we're still very bullish. Same for Nasdaq. I'm going 75 against 25 here. So let's keep things very chronological, I would say. Yeah, for Dow Jones also very interesting. We finished the wave 3 here for the gray count, and we're looking as well for a wave 4 from there, as 0.23 is of course in sight here. We're looking for a deeper one, 53K 628. It is deeper because of course of the push towards the upside. The fib level by itself goes deeper, yeah, so it's not me that I'm judging is gonna be deep. It's already deep by default. So basically the minimum target here is 53K 628, and we're pushing toward the upside here for the wave 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 for higher prices. Very interesting for the stocks. They are still booming. I'm looking for higher as well for Dow Jones, 55K 162. Nice. So we're gonna start with some special request, and that is on our from our Discord. We're gonna see, of course, your request. Now the guys here, the beautiful community and the members mess it up a little bit. We went into a chat here inside the stock request, and this is where we get lost, guys. That's why I made a list actually. So guys, please try to be, of course, more careful when we put some chats here. So yeah, basically we have Mrvl, MRVL. I already wrote all the requests. I could find them again. So I wrote them on the list. I don't know for who is Mrvl exactly. I think Kobe. So Kobe, this is Mrvl, and we're gonna see what's going on there. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Yeah, so we're looking for a potential wave 5 to continue toward the upside. Don't forget that this is a deep target for a wave 4, and I believe the signal of strength has been given, meaning the perfect target has already passed here, and it is time to push for higher. But there is a structure here that we need to count here. What if we are in a 1 2 and then wave 3 4 and a 5? Are we in a wave A and then B and a C? So we have to be careful with this one. However, what is beautiful here as a signal, your 1 2 3 4 and a 5 of your wave 3, the wave 4 interfere, which is not allowed, turning this into a potential A or W, sorry, X and a wave Y. So this is very likely a WX and a Y finish there, WX and a Y. And that because, again, the wave 3 interfere here, so it's not allowed. This is not an impulse, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. It's not. That means, of course, it's a WX and a Y, and very likely the signal of strength is a bullish signal where you are pushing in a 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5 toward the upside. This is not finished your wave 3, so you're looking here for a 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5 for higher prices. My target for Mrvl here is, of course, pushing a little bit more higher than this. I'm looking for a wave 5 to finish a wave 3 there, 4 and a 5, somehow like that. Now, in case you are looking for a precise target for a wave 5, we can do that, of course. And there you go. This is your precise target there in this green box. $574 is your target for a wave 5, and then of course we might push for higher even. All right, so I'm gonna remove that. It's too much, so there you go. We're gonna have this. Okay, I'm gonna remove the bearish even. So here we go. So 1 2 there. This is regarding Mrvl on the micro level. Don't forget you are very bullish here in the all-time history. 1 2 3 4 and a 5, meaning the wave 5 is unfolding something very strong here, which is a 1 2 and potentially wave 3 4 and a 5, something like that. 1.618 as an extension is very, very likely there to be taken at $740. Great, that was it for Mrvl. Let's see GBL. GBL, there you go. Table. All right, we never did this. Of course, I think GBL is the one for the audio tools, right? The devices, GBL, is it? I'm not sure if that is the same. I think so, yeah. All right. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, guys. So 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is the gray. This is A, B, and a C. There you go. And 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Yes. 1 2, another 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is your wave 3 4 and a 5. Interesting. So we are looking here at a large wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 4 and a 5. Go. And we have also potential A, B, and a C there. This is our count. Internally here, you have also in brackets orange, the 1 2, and you have another 1 2 here, and a wave 3, and then wave 4, and a wave 5. This is your white count. Currently, this wave 5, if we dive a little bit more deeper on the daily, this wave 5 is unfolding also here as a potential 1 2 3 wave 4. Okay, no invalidation. 1 2 3 4 5. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna put this in yellow as well, and we're gonna have a new count 1 2 and wave 3 wave 4 wave 5 unfinished in white. All right, that because we still have higher prices to unfold 1 2 3 4 and a 5 in gray. There you go. This is your micro one. Meaning currently you're looking for a wave 5 to be precise. Within the target you're looking for the $533 here, and then of course pushing again down for a wave 4, all right, which is in the orange. Yeah, so 533 for GBL to be watched. Next one we have here Coin, which is Coinbase. All right, for Coinbase, we are looking also here at a wave A. We're looking for a wave B. Potentially, this wave B can be finished there. Well, I doubt it because we got an impulse there, 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4. And wave 5 is still unfolding toward the downside here. So, yeah, I mean, it can be finished, by the way, even A. And you're looking for a wave B. By the way, if the crypto market is going really high in this expanding flat for Bitcoin today analysis, that is very, very likely and is too much in confluence with Coinbase. Okay, the wave B, because Bitcoin might be in an expanding flat wave C and then pushing down later on. That is so much in confluence, especially if you have an A, B, and a C here. Yeah, so very likely that this is a signal that we're pushing for higher here for Coinbase. On the daily, well, you have an impulse also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the wave 2 didn't took the low perfectly, so you can consider this as a wave 1, 2 here. Okay, it can be very likely 1, 2, very sharp zigzag, wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish A, B, and a C, or something much more higher. All right, meaning even this can turn into a W, X, and a Y, because you have zigzag, X, zigzag for wave Y, A, B, and a C. All right, so that is also possible if you search for the confluence with Bitcoin. This is so much in confluence. So to be watched first as a wave B there. And in the case that we are looking also for a 1-to-1 here, meaning this low, as a 1-to-1, look at the confluence here inside this red box area. All right, which is $222, and it can go higher if extended. Very interesting. 222 to be watched for coin. All right, let's see Sndk. This one is a very very requested lately, and it's a beautiful one, by the way. It's a beautiful one, very beautiful chart. I'm already in this as well, in this trade from the low there, and it's a nice profit so far for us. Basically 1, 2, and then I'm looking for a wave 3. What happened here? So wave 3, and then wave 4 and a wave 5 pushing toward the upside. So your wave 3 here, 1, 2, and wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 extended in several 1, 2. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside. Currently, this wave 4 took the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, and we start to see, of course, something as a signal of strength. Of course, we need the 1, 2, the wave 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So that's very understandable to see today a little bit of red, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So the 1 hour chart here is already showing a, oh, it's not finished even. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the wave 1 even is not finished, guys. All right, but I'm not gonna put additional count here. So you have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. All right, so this is very interesting 15-minute chart. Yes, even internally, this is a wave 4 of the wave 3. Oh my God. Okay, so the wave 3 is not yet done, and then 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 1 again. Or it can be very massive and pushing directly with a massive wave 3 here, right? So that means it becomes very, very impulsive and explosive. So no signal of weakness. Yeah, so we're still looking for higher in Sndk. Everything is fine. Yep, so that was it for Sndk. For Current Corporation, COHR. I think we never did this before. Let's see. Is it a nice chart? It is actually. Yes, it's a nice one. All right. Nice selection. Whoever selected this one. Basically 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I was very happy with it, and suddenly I cannot find any wave 3 internally. Just I'm searching for the gap, guys. No gap. Very interesting. Okay, it's a double 1, 2 then. confirmed even. All right, so double 1-2, how it is. So because you I was like searching, of course, for the wave 3, guys. So if you are in 1 2 3 4 invalidation, 1 2 3 4 invalidation, 1 2 3 4 invalidation. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So basically we have a 1 2 here, a wave 3 4 and a 5. It's a diagonal, of course, and we're looking here at a finished wave 1. All right, so this is your first diagonal. Second diagonal is also another 1 2 3 4 and a 5. All right, and you got confirmation that this is a double 1 2, that because you got the wave 2 and you push for higher, you took the high. This is your confirmation. Now this is the gap that I'm looking for. This is your wave 3, guys. So now Coherent Corporation has started its wave 3, which is of course very massive. And you have another 1 2 here, 3 4 and a 5. There you go. So basically we're looking here. There you go. All right. Basically we are looking at 1 2 1 2. So it's a double 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is your gray. And another 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is your white. It's gonna be massive, of course. All right. So 3, then 4 and a 5. This is how it's gonna continue. Now, if we take here also like a fib level for wave 3 as an impulse, and here we are. This is your target where you are looking for the $1,532, very likely in 1 2 3 4 and a 5, then 4 and a 5. Of course, this is a mini target currently, guys. The higher we go, of course, the target will proceed with it. But very nice one, yeah, confirmed as bullish. That's why it's very nice. Yep, so basically those are our special requests for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.